What's up, Bittorrent holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the BTT latest price update, and the Bittorrent token holders are doing very big mistake. If you do this mistake, so you're in the loss completely. You are losing your money and the Bittorrent token, my friends. At this time the latest price of the BTT Bittorrent token is 0.00342 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of Bittorrent token. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Bittorrent token, so the price changes is completely in the loss. Completely price falls down of Bittorrent token. The last 1 day, the last 1 weekend pricing is going negative. The price is going wrong. Then due to this falls, the people or start a big mistake and they decide to sell, my friends. The selling is a big mistake of all Bittorrent token holders on this time, my friends. Don't decide to sell. If you decide to sell, you are losing your money. If you decide to sell, so you are losing your money, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart for more details and for better understanding. My friends, just look the last 3 days price update of BTT token. The last 3 days pricing is negative 8.74%. Falls down 8.74%. So that means that pricing is negative. The price is falls down. So if you decide to sell in this situation, so completely you are losing your money and a BTT token. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Hold, my friends. Be patient. Be wait for a pump of Bittorrent token. I hope that they will take a pump, my friends. Why you are very fast, my friends. Don't decide to sell. You know what? Why you invest in a Bittorrent token? For profit. If you decide to sell in this time in a Bittorrent token, so you are completely losing your money. Don't forget to subscribe AVS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.